Hi everyone! Today I'm sharing my completely DIY acrylic manicure and I'm going for a French Gothic design. With the right tools, you can beautify your own nails at home too. So I've tried a couple of acrylic nail tip brands and this is my favorite. Start off by finding the best match to your nails. My acrylic set comes in 10 sizes, so there's bound to be a match. Make sure the acrylic nail covers your natural nails entirely. Next, I'm using an acrylic nail cutter to create my desired length and shape. I can easily create a sharp nail tip, a flat tip, or a curved nail tip with this. You can easily find this cutter anywhere. I'm using this Pro's Choice of glue for its staying power. First, apply a layer of glue to your bottom nail. If you like, you may include a foundational layer before applying the glue. Cure for 12 seconds, and in the meantime, dab some glue onto the back of your acrylic nail. Press hard and cure for a good 60 seconds. I'm going ahead to do the rest of my left hand. Don't forget to give your new set of nails a good filing. Let's start on the colors. I'm using Loritta and Gelish for this set of nails. I'm a huge fan of these two brands. I'm using number 37, a cool shade of lime green, which I'm really into these days. The next shade is number 25, a creamy pastel blue, followed by number 28, which is a versatile pastel camel. Gelish number 25 is a fresh pastel purple, which I love, and you'll see why. And I'm going to use number 1325 for my pinking to have a pop of sweet pink. So I'm curing my nails for 60 seconds before going for a second coat of color. Falls are my absolute favorite nail art because it looks challenging, but in fact so easy. For our French Gothic design today, I'm using black lace with tiny flowers. First, cut them into 1-inch fall pieces so they are easier to handle. Next, apply a layer of foil transfer glue to your nails and cure for a good 12 seconds before you press hard and make sure that the foil sticks to your nails in entirety. I make sure to press really hard to minimize the ripples in the foil, as this affects the outcome of the design that appears on my nails. As usual, cure for a 60-second cycle and leave the foil to settle on the transfer glue. Meanwhile, I'm going to add some sparkly bits to my pinky. Apply a layer of glue, cure for 25 seconds before placing your deco piece in the desired position. Glue around the edges and cure for another cycle. Removing the foil, and I love this look. For my middle finger, I'm going to choose a nail jewelry for my personal stash. I've got a lot of beloved pieces in the stash, and today I'll pick a black jewel to match our French Gothic design theme. I'll first bling it up with some sparkly foil to make the black jewel stand out. Cure for one cycle after putting the foil. And with a layer of nail glue, I will now place my black jewelry in the middle. After curing for one cycle, I'll check to see if it's good and sturdy. In line with our French Gothic theme, I'm using a French nail tip guide to create a color variant. As a finishing touch, I'm going to finish my thumbnail with some French white glaze. I typically use 2 layers of finish. This is the first non-white top it off. I'll cure for a good 60 seconds after application. My second and final finish is to concretize and set the entire acrylic design. This is important if you are adding diamonds, jewelry, or foils to your design. So that's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be sharing my DIY manicure stash and many more DIY content very soon. Cheers!